smoothie or guava watermelon milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the guava recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the guava recipes. Today we are going to make watermelon guava milk smoothie. 200 grams of watermelon, 50 grams of sugar, and around 80 to 100 grams of guava cut into pieces. Put in the guava pieces. Sugar. And grind well. Open. Now put in the watermelon pieces. And grind well. Pour in around 100 to 150 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Open. Now the watermelon guava milkshake is ready and can be taken off. Can be poured into the glasses. The watermelon guava milk smoothie into the glasses. The final guava watermelon milk smoothie or guava watermelon milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the guava smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.